I think what highlights, everybody's been highlighting, so workforce development and where we're going to find the folks to actually do it. We saw this when everybody we went to IP. We started going after the same group of people. We were all trying to leverage the same contract, same group of people. So we were robbing Peter to pay Paul. How do we create an environment where we develop a workforce, where we start to get some, not only the technologists and the engineers, but what we also need is the 3O communities, the lawyers, the business units, the contract writers, because they all have to be brought up to speed as well on how we're trying to buy commercial services. So we'd be remiss if we just talked about just the engineering aspect of it, because we're asking everybody in the stack, the warfighters, the engineers, the developers, everybody to think about doing things in a different way, and we don't talk a lot about the business aspect of it, and getting those lawyers to understand what T's and C's means for commercial cloud companies, getting different contract officers to understand that and be comfortable with those T's and C's could change on an hour-to-hour, day-to-day, and what impact that actually has to a contract, or what that risk profile is of that contract. And I highlight this because we went through that with our BPA and trying to understand that, and how we used to buy IT is not how we're going to buy IT tomorrow, and it's definitely not how we're going to buy IT probably in 3 to 5 years, as John highlighted with Jedi coming down. We're all going to be learning and evolving, and so we just have to make sure that everybody's shifting their focus from how we used to buy IT on demand, and how we used to buy it in a very stovepipe situation, and within the agencies start looking at our buying power and how we can commoditize it, how we can decouple those infrastructures, how we can decouple the services from those applications, and how
really
we change that.